Hi, today we're going to look at proving triangles congruent to each other. So we're given two figures, some of it's labeled, some of it's not. But before we look at that, sometimes we need to look down at the congruency statement. So here we're told ABC is the same as it's congruent to XYZ. Now, when you have this statement, each letter matches up to its corresponding part. So angle A is the same as angle X. So A and X are the same exact thing. B and Y are the same, and C and Z are the same. So even though our pictures may not look alike, maybe because they're not drawn to scale or because of sloppy handwriting, either way, this statement tells us what we have. Similarly, if we have, it tells us not just angles, but the sides. So AB is matched up with XY. AB and XY are the same. So we can use that to help solve this. So I'm going to start with the sides. Now, there's two ways we can go about solving for X. We can look at either the sides or the angles. I'm going to look at sides. So we know that AB is 11 and XY is 2x plus 5. So we set up an equation. Now we just have to use our inverse operations to get the X alone. So minus 5 divide by 2, and then Rx equals 3. So that's one way of looking at it, by setting up this with that. The other way we can look at it is using our angles. So we know that angle A matches up with angle X, so we can use this, set it equal to that. So, or we can look at angles. So 24x plus 5 equals 77. Again, set up the equation, set one equal to the other, and we just do our inverse operations. Minus 5, 24x equals 72. Divide. It's slightly larger numbers, but in the end, you still come up with the same answer. So however you want to set that equation up, you can, but they have to be the same, they have to be equal to each other in order to say that our two triangles are congruent.